Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Touareg. This luxury SUV has undergone a significant transformation, and we're here to break down everything you need to know. Let's start with the looks. The 2025 Touareg boasts a more refined and sophisticated design with sharper lines and a commanding presence. It's a true head-turner. Step inside and you're greeted with a luxurious cabin. The interior is a blend of comfort and technology. Expect premium materials, advanced infotainment, and a driver-focused cockpit. Under the hood, the 2025 Touareg offers a range of options. There's a refined diesel engine for those who prioritize efficiency, and for the first time ever, a plug-in hybrid variant. That's right, you can now enjoy the best of both worlds. Electric power for daily commutes, and the freedom of a long-range SUV for those weekend adventures. Technology is a key highlight of the 2025 Touareg. You'll find the latest infotainment system, driver assistance features, and safety tech to keep you connected and confident on the road. Volkswagen offers a variety of trim levels for the 2025 Touareg, ensuring there's an option to suit every lifestyle and budget. From the base model to the top-of-the-line luxury trim, you'll find the perfect combination of features and style. So there you have it. The 2025 Volkswagen Touareg is a significant upgrade in every aspect. Whether you're looking for luxury, performance, efficiency, or technology, this SUV has it all. For more detailed information on pricing, specifications, and trim levels, check out the links in the description below.